Hello everybody, Charlie Trump back again. Alright, I want to show you how to install the control board and operate it. First off, you want to do is you want to move this out of your way because you won't be using it anymore. Second off is I'll be sending a sticky pad and some wire ties so you can put this. This was originally up here, so you move it down here out of your way of the board. Now, next thing you can do, or anytime you want to, you can take and test your motors. If you see that, or reverse your polarity, that way you can check each one of your motors and make sure that they're working alright. This is a little kit that I made, but you can get some wire that size and just stick it in the holes and do the same thing with it. That was a 9-volt battery I used there. Alright, next thing you want to do, you want to get your kit here. Alright, and these standoffs that you had these two left two, and you took the standoff that you had on top of your original board and mounted on here. Now on this one here, it's easier to slide it in from the front. On this side here, you want to slide it in on the front. Alright, then I'll send you 4 screws with it. Take and line them up. Phillips screwdriver. Now what you want to do on this top one, just snug it. The bottom one you can go ahead and tighten it all the way up. I'll show you why I want you to just snug that first one. Now on the left hand side, the best way to do it is from the top. Okay, turn it sideways, slide it in there, and then turn it over. Okay, that's the easiest way to put it in there. Then you get your other 2 screws. Screw them in. This one here just snug. Go ahead and tighten your bottom one all the way up. I'll explain to you why you need to do it that way here in a minute. Alright, tighten that one up. Tighten that one up. The other 2 are snug. Now, take them 2 screws that held that original plate on and put them in here. Something in the way there. Looks like I'm all thumbs here. Now you can go ahead and tighten them up if you want to. Now there it is, all put together. Now, what we're going to do, the reason why we left them loose a little bit is so when we put this in here, sometimes you got to kind of move that a little bit like that. Alright, now it should be flush. Now as you got it lined up, you can bring it back out and tighten up these 2 top screws. So now you're ready to install the board. Make sure these 2 wires here are down out of the way. Now it's easier to go ahead and plug up everything before you put it in there. Alright, the heater goes first on the top, just like you took it off the board, other board. Now this is the bottom one, so you skip one and you go to, I'm not going to put that one on yet because you'll see here in a minute it's easier to do it the other way. Now this here is the top left,